be angry. Be happy. There we go. Yeah. Yes, Goody. Yes, Goody. Oh, yeah. What was that? I didn't quite catch it. Could you repeat it, please, sir? What? You're gonna have to speak up. The lawnmower came by. I didn't hear you one more time, sir. No, Mommy's being noisy. Nobody wants to hear what you have to say. Just scream it out. There you go. Come on. Be heard, son. Be heard. Tell the world. You're trying so hard and it just won't come out the way you want. Ooh, I think I know what that sound is. Nope. Yep, it's time for the camera to go by.